Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty. It's the 17th of December, which means that we will be unboxing door number 17 from the LookFantastic advent calendar that they kindly gifted me with no obligation to post. We've had everything so far as we get closer and closer to the 25th of December. We've had skincare, eye makeup, lipstick, a makeup brush. So I'm interested to see where else we can go with the advent calendar. So let's jump right in and have a look at what's behind door number 17. Looks like a very heavy, well, it feels like a very heavy glass bottle. Now I have no hope in pronouncing this name. Honoraviska Budapest Silver Skin Savior. I think that's what it says. This is an SOS Argent. Aha! This is what smells so strong and herbal in the advent calendar, and it was packed in a layer of bubble wrap and a layer of tissue paper inside a box. This smells gorgeous and herbal, but I don't actually know what it is. So I'm gonna have to do a quick Google on my phone because it doesn't come with any information booklets anymore, and that doesn't really help me when I'm trying to figure out what a product is. So Silver Skin Savior, the 50ml version, retails for £69. Product overview. The perfect treatment for problem skin, this mask captures the power of colloidal silver and niacinamide? Niacinamide? There's a theme with these advent calendar unboxings that there are just so many words that I can't pronounce. This is known for its antibacterial and curative properties. Combined with niacinamide, it provides a potent blend that combats blemishes and breakout. Salicylic and glycolic acids help unclog pores to reveal clearer, smoother, healthier skin. But what is it? Apply a generous amount to face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Leave for 5 minutes on first use. Increase to 10 minutes for subsequent use, depending on skin sensitivity. To remove, wipe well using a warm, damp mitt or face cloth. Suggested once per week. And the reviews are really good for this. There are hundreds of 5-star reviews. Okay, so this is basically a skin mask, a skin treatment for problem skin. I am really glad that I actually read the reviews for this because I would have just thought that this was like a moisturizer. There's not much that it says on the packaging that alludes to anything different, but given that it's got acids in it, that would be quite dangerous just to leave it on my skin. There's literally nothing aside from the fact that it's a Silver Skin Savior and the brand name. That explains what the really strong smell in the box is. I would be interested to try that out actually, to try and combat some blemishes, especially with the winter weather change. Yeah. That has been the 17th of December. If you're liking this series, then stick around and check back in again tomorrow on day number 18, the 18th of December, where we will be unboxing door number 18 and having a little look into what products we're going to get next. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!